Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can delete empty columns in LibreOffice Calc. So I have a data set over here and I have some empty columns here. So if you want to delete the column B, which is the empty, you need to select it. And now right click on the column B and select the delete columns. And here empty column is deleted. So if you have a big data set and you want to delete all empty columns, for this you need to press the control key and right click to select the empty columns one by one, and then right click and click on the delete column. And here you can see that all the empty columns are gone. Let me undo that. And another way is that you need to select the all empty columns again by pressing the control key and right click. And now head to the column icon, click on this small arrow and click delete columns. And here all empty columns are deleted. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can delete empty columns in LibreOffice Calc. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.